How to edit your signature or on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to edit your signature on Gmail PC, easy and fast. All what you have to do is go to Gmail. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top right here and click on settings. Click here and click see all settings. Now scroll down until you find the signature option right here. Now let's say that you have a signature already. You will find it like this. Now click on this pencil right here to edit your signature. Very easy and fast, as you can see. After you finish, click done, and now let's say like this. Now all what you have to do is go down and click save changes like this. Very easy and fast. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.